Hi, welcome to Venice and welcome to our living room. In the middle of our Venetian flag, there's a huge winged lion, okay? And I suppose you're Catholics as well, so you probably know that the winged lion is the symbol of a person. Very good. It's the symbol of one of the four evangelists, Saint Mark. To Alexandria, and we take the body here where he's belonging to, okay? As you can tell though, stealing a body from Egypt was not easy, okay? They needed to find a smart solution to do so. Solution, which is actually written over there, but I will tell you in a second and then we will check the mosaics. So basically, two merchants were sent by the government to Egypt with the only mission of stealing the body of the saint. So while they were there in Egypt, in Alexandria, they were trading during the day with the Egyptians, just not to attract the attention. Since they were merchants, they were pretending they were there for the trade. And then the guy on the right, yes, it's Saint Theodore. He's riding a crocodile, sort of a crocodile. It's actually a monster. Hi, welcome to Venice and welcome to our living room.
The oldest cafe in the world.
Come on. Balit na balit kayo dyan, ma.
Lapit to the bone eh.
So here we are at Academia Bridge. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. And this is the spot where you can see a good angle of the Grand Canal. So let's see if it's good. Nagising ka na ma?